Yo, do you want to get unlimited points on Microsoft Rewards, guys? 2026. Today, I'm going to show you a new way to get unlimited points in Microsoft Rewards. So, as you can see, I'm not exactly a top dog, right? But I'm going to show you guys how to get unlimited points. So, basically, there's this button that pops up in the mod, and this will make you have unlimited points. So, I'm going to press unlock. So let's see if it adds the points to my account. And then I'm going to show you guys how to download this Microsoft Rewards points hack so you can get unlimited points. So as you can see, it says like verifying and everything. So let's just give it a second, and bang guys, the points were activated, so now they're going up. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this. So the first step is going to be going into the site. So let me just type it in right here. So the website we're going to go to is called matrixmods.com. So when you're on this website, guys, go to the search bar and you just want to type it in. So let me just type it in and then press download. So then before it downloads, it's going to be a verification. So you just have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to download here, as you can see. So I'm just going to wait for it to load up. So before this downloads, it's going to say like missing files. So I just got to download some of these apps. So we got like Travel Town, Mo Casino. So just make sure you do 2 of them, and then you will have the Microsoft Rewards points hack. So like Travel Town, is like reach level 9. It's like a game. So I just go to the App Store, play through this. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys later. But that's how to get unlimited points on Microsoft Rewards in 2026. This is like a new and improved video for everyone to use. So I'm gonna see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos. But yeah, this is super awesome. So I'm gonna see you guys in another one, and peace out.